Thank you for your help. So I've filled up the water dispenser. I'm now placing it in the back of the machine as instructed. It's now properly seated. The coffee pod placing is off. Turn the machine on. Waiting for the machine to heat up. Okay, the machine is now heated. Pressing the lungo button. Water is dispensing. Please bear with me. I realise this is a boring process, but just bear with me. So we are 20 or 30 seconds in. It does not completely carry on until the dispenser is empty. If I go to the back now, you can clearly see that it's only dispensed a lungo size cup, well actually smaller than lungo size cup of hot water as a rinsing process. I hope that's me understanding you correctly. Thank you.